Calculate the gradient of the coordinate points A minus 2, 2 and B 2, minus 2. Remember, the first thing is to label x1, y1, x2, y2. The next thing is to write the formula. Can you remember the formula? Gradient equals to rise over run. So we have y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, which means gradient equals to our y2 is what? Minus 2 minus our y1 is 2 all over our x2 is 2 minus our x1 is minus 2. So I have to put it in brackets. Is that clear? So we have gradient equals to minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4 all over. This would give me 2 minus times minus is plus. So I have 2 plus 2, 4. Let me solve the remaining here. So I will be having gradient equals to minus 4 over 2 plus 2 is 4. So which means gradient equals minus 1. Is this not super simple? Now there's one more thing I need to tell you before we take exercises. Now let's say I have got a graph. Let me just try to draw one. Alright, say on this graph I've got a vertical line. Now remember, this line is a vertical line. So I need to mention that it is a vertical line. A line like this is a vertical line. Now the question I want to ask is, what is the slope of a vertical line? What is the slope of a vertical line? Now, as you can see, a vertical line only has rise. It does not have runs. So what that means is that for the runs, we'll be having 0 beneath. It only has rise. So which means that the slope of a vertical line is undefined. Now, the reason for this is any time you have 0 as the denominator, we say that fraction is undefined. For example, 4 over 0 is undefined. So if you do this on your calculator, it will be telling you math error. 2 over 0 is undefined. Now, because a vertical line does not have runs, it means that the slope of a vertical line is undefined. Now, you want to ask yourself, what is the slope of an horizontal line? So we have an horizontal line. Now remember, an horizontal line does not have rise, it only has runs. So it means 0 would be on top. Remember, slope or gradient is rise over runs. So an horizontal line does not have rise, so we have 0 on top, and then we have runs beneath. Now 0 over anything equals to 0, which means that the slope of an horizontal line equals 0. Now don't forget that the slope of a vertical line is undefined and the slope of an horizontal line equals 0.